in Brexit. Excuse me. You know, I don't want to flirt with that, and I want to give you guys more intraday setups, especially with NFP coming. So pound USD, Euro Aussie, someone recommended, so we'll go to that, and then also look at Aussie USD, see what's happening. If I have any recommendations, for what we can do or if we should get out. So Euro Aussie, we were in it last week. I believe we got out of our shorts. We actually shorted it twice. We shorted the initial move down and then the retrace. Damn, man, Aussie's spilling over, of course. Oh, perfect. Actually, so Aussie has actually hit our final take profit. So we didn't get out of our second short. We shorted last week from here to here, and then we shorted again from here. And now, I mean, I didn't touch this, I'm being honest, but it's crazy how it went to our take profit level perfectly to the T. It might go down further. It might not. Aussie dollar is showing some strength right now. I don't know why, but especially because Aussie's supposed to be having rate cuts. But we're kind of going down past the support, past our take profit level. There may be more near-term room for shorts. Just let me pan this out a bit. That's nice. Resistance, 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 support. Yeah, we could actually, you know, have a nice short for the ages. Wow, this could be actually. Thank God our stop loss for Aussie dollar was only 50 pips. But yeah, if you're looking for shorts for Euro Aussie, you can actually obviously you don't want to get in right now. Like I said, you never want to enter a trade when the big move has happened. Always expect a retrace. So you might actually have a retrace after this 4-hour closure. Since we are at some support resistance zone, we could flirt around here, pop back up, or we could slip below. So if we're doing what we're doing right now, if I go in the hourly, I'm getting sick, my fault, guys. So we actually did close below this this support and resistance zone at 1.60500 region. What we want is maybe some retest and a fat bearish candle. Right now we might be printing a morning star or a doji depending on this closes. But ideally what we'd want is maybe a retest and maybe some sort of candle like this, or a nice teardrop candle or evening star to signify further downfall. Definitely. Or this could even be done by the Aussie fundamentals we have at 9:30 today. So if these fundamentals at retail sales come out stronger than expected, we could see further downfall. But yeah, watch for the price action. Maybe a hammer, retest, evening star, or a teardrop candle, and then further downfall could be seen. Risk to reward, I mean, on this kind of trade, crazy. Okay, so maybe something like this. Something like this would be good for shorts right here. But watch out for the price action to play out. I might call this. I'd rather take this swing short than the pound yen short. And for those that got the email about our beta program, if you're still interested and want to know how to get that, I will post a link in the description, but you can literally go to this right here. So forexlens.com/trading-room and just hit enter. And when you get to this part, just click to apply for full access until 31st. We're giving everyone full access from July 1st to 31st on our trading room. So all these live sessions will be on there. Signals will be sent there. You'll have Bloomberg on the side. You have archives of our past live sessions and even past sessions on Ichimoku, GAN, etc. So we're really excited about that. We'll have a full functioning chat. So if you want to join, just go to this link right here. I'll put it in the description. But for those that are watching in the live, head over here and click apply. Once you submit the application, you'll be sent an email with further instructions and login credentials. And once we get everyone onboarded, we'll transition from YouTube to the portal. Just a little service announcement, but definitely check it out. Get a free month's worth of some good content. And yeah, back to the charts. Euro Aussie swing, definitely something I'd call later in the day. If you have any questions, send them through. Any pairs? Okay, let's look at Aussie dollar. Okay, so man, this thing is gunning it. So yesterday during our live, I called a short from here. We had some profit, maybe like 5 pips. We were really floating in and out of entry, and then we just kind of popped back up. Fundamentals, we had some last night. Yep, so 0.7 versus the forecast, 0.0%. Previous was negative 3.4. Okay, so it was obviously a big jump. Even the trade balance. So yeah, but it was mostly a delayed reaction. My bad, a delayed reaction, because when that came out, we didn't really see much movement. But now we're kind of rocketing, maybe fueled by the weak USD fundamentals. But the euro and the pound are slipping against the dollar, so that's kind of weird. We'll see how this closes. Our stop is at 0.7477, just somewhere around here. I believe we're at this wick. Yeah, so last time when price wicked up here is where I put our stops. Hopefully we don't get stopped out, but it is looking that way. You might want to close like 0.30%, 30% of your position. Euro is looking like a short. Like I said yesterday, it's our consolidation region, and we really didn't make any moves back to the upside or below it, but now it is kind of looking we're edging lower. So if we're looking for shorts, maybe a break below, a retest, and we can short it to the psychological level of 1.11800. So 1.11800. This is what we're looking at in terms of risk to reward. Fill out the range fill. If you just pan out, you can see the range fill right here. So we can go for something like that. But yeah, I'll be watching for price action for this. Hopefully this continues, because this will drag the dollar index down, and hopefully the Aussie index. The Aussie dollar. Looking at the dollar index, some technicals are saying, so it's mixed. The bias is mixed. If we go to the daily, we can see we're bouncing off support at 95.82, but we're also coming to retest this trend line. So this trend line right here, we're coming up to retest it, and this is technically not a rejection, because we just printed a hammer. If it was like something like a teardrop, it'd be a nice rejection, but right now we're printing hammers. We're using the 96.557 as support, like we did in mid-June, this level right here. So in terms of our Aussie shorts and possible Euro shorts, we'd like a bounce. In other words, since this is our support, this is our resistance, we have a range from here to here that we can fill. So bouncing off support, if we can bounce off this this support from that we stood at in mid-May, we could come up and fill out this range fill to 97.63. So ideally, that's what we want to happen. So we'll see what price does, and we'll go from there. But if I do enter Euro USD shorts, I'll let you guys know. In the meantime, let's see what Aussie dollar does. If you want to close out 30% of your position, if there's any more recommendations for pairs or questions, let me know now. If not, we'll cap off today's live session. Please be sure to onboard onto our trading room at this URL. I'll make sure to put it in the description of this live session. But check it out, submit the form, and you'll get an email shortly with credentials. So I'll see you guys. Tomorrow is Friday, so I might do a recap. But we usually don't do live sessions. Oh no, tomorrow's Thursday. Perfect. So tomorrow will be a live session. So I'll see you guys tomorrow at 11. And we'll speak then. So happy trading, guys. Peace.